I welcome today with a spirit of gratitude. I am grateful for the air that is filling my lung. I am grateful for the heart that pumps blood through my body. I am grateful for the heart to forgive even those who come and never will apologize. I am grateful for every stumbling block along my journey.
What are you doing? I think that's not cordial. It's supposed to calm my nerves. Okay, I hate to interrupt, but I need to ask a favor. Anything. What do you need? You know I was seeing a psychiatrist last year, right? Harvey, if this has to do with your well-being, I'm all ears, but as you know, I'm not a licensed practitioner of mental health services. Louis, listen. Look, my psychiatrist is being sued. She has her own attorney, but I don't trust him, and I want you to handle it. I don't understand. If you don't trust him, why aren't you taking it? I told you, she's my therapist. Yeah, it was. That doesn't stop you from helping her with a legal issue. All right, you want the truth? I'm seeing her. You're dating your therapist. I don't need a lecture from you, Louis.